Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Well, if you remember, I did all of that asparagus and I had extra the stems that we didn't use that were cut off. I dehydrated those and now I'm going to make them into an asparagus powder to use in asparagus soup or other soups that I make with a little bit of asparagus flavor. So I'm going to put them in here, this handy little food processor that I use. They should grind up very, very finely. Get these out really carefully. Try not to lose any. I've wiped my counter down really well, just in case. Try to get as many of them as I can in here. This was 2 trays of asparagus. And what it'll come out with is hardly any powder, actually. I have this jar set aside right here, little teeny jar that I'm going to use to put the powder in, and then I will put them in a put it in a shake container eventually. I've got to find all of my glass containers still. I have a lot of empty spice containers and I keep them, and I usually do onion powder or garlic powder in them, things like that I use all the time. So I'm just going to show you how I do this, and hopefully it will turn on. I haven't used this since I moved. Trying to get as much in there as I possibly can because this will go down really, really quickly. I think that's about it. I still have just a little bit left, but we'll do some of this first. Oh, let's see. Might need 2 hands for this. Let's see. Okay, I got one side on. Not sure about the other side. Nope. Okay. Let me try that again. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna hold this down. Let's see. Don't want to put it on that high. Yeah, this is kind of hard doing it by myself. Let's put it on low. Oops, pulls. How am I gonna do this? Make sure that's all the way in there. Yep, that's kind of loose. And I can't pause my camera. Okay, gonna put the camera down for just a second. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I don't think it's working right. Okay, let's see. You guys really can't see that. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's hard doing a one-man job. Okay, here, I'm going to try this again. There's a little bit left in here, and it's getting all over. But I'm going to take the lid off, and I'm going to fill it some more. Make sure it's all the way on there, because I've only got a little bit left. I'm going to put a little bit more in here. make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm going to put it back on. Make sure it's tight. There we go. Okay, I think we did it. Let's see. Oh, there's still some in there. Okay, I know this is loud. Bear with me here. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, that's much better. Okay, it's not a fine grain as I wanted, but you know what? That'll be fine. Let's see. See if we can get that in there. You see that? There's a little bit of stems and pieces in there. I think I'm going to just do it one more time really quickly, and then I'm going to leave it at that. So let's see. Put it in here one more time. Make sure my phone is still going. There we go. Sorry for the noise again, guys. I'm trying to do this one person. Okay. It's a little bit better. Okay, let's show you what we got. Okay, you see all that? That's much better. And you can use this in stews, in asparagus soup especially. If you make asparagus soup, make it extra asparagus, like extra creamy without putting flour in it or anything like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this in my jar like that. And hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can see this, I think. Yeah, this is going to fill this jar up really quickly. I think I overestimated a little bit. Might need to find a bigger jar. But, okay, so here you go. So you get the gist of this. This is what it looks like in the jar. It's pretty fine powder. I'm seeing a glare. I hope you guys aren't seeing a glare. All over my food processor is a really fine powder. And that's what's in the jar, along with a little teeny bit of little bits of pieces. You can see them in here. Little bits of pieces that didn't grind up really well, but they'll soften when they heat up in your soup or whatever you use it for. And you'll have the taste of asparagus. So there you go. Asparagus powder. And I do this, oh my goodness, I got asparagus powder everywhere on my toaster. Ugh. Okay, so I also do this with onions. I get a couple of bags of onions to get probably enough onion powder to last you maybe a couple months or so. To get maybe a container full about this big. And this is only 1.4 ounces. This is one of the bigger Watkins containers. But that's what I get. I get about 2 bags of onions, or about maybe 6 pounds of onions. And I dehydrate them in the Excalibur and grind them up in my handy little food processor right here. I do the same with garlic. Fresh garlic powder is the best. Cilantro, I do cilantro powder. I actually mix cilantro and onion powder together to get my own little mix. And you can do this with just about anything. Anything you want to dry. Mint, I've done mint, dried mint to use in tea. You can make your own tea bags with mint if you grind it up kind of like, not as fine as this, but a little bit, a little bit chunkier, and put it in tea bags, and then you have your own mint tea. They sell empty tea bags that you can fill yourself with your herbs and spices and make your own tea. So this is what I'm doing today. I am off to transplant my basil plant and 2 of my tomato plants that I have, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. I think this weekend we're going to make ham and beans, and if we do, I will include you guys in that video. So have a nice Friday, everybody, and a great weekend. Hope to see you soon. Please comment and leave messages and tell me what you want to see next week. See you soon. Bye.